Yeah, you can talk about creating chances, or you can talk about XG or expected threat, and how you approach different matches away from home or at home. I think we had a very good performance overall away from home, probably better than our Al Ahly Tripoli match in Libya away from home with the 0-0. Was more balanced performance from our side if you compare the other match, Al Ahly Tripoli. Maybe they should have gotten a penalty in Libya. We drew that match, we got a point away from home. This match, I think we, if not, should have won it because we had the lead at halftime, minimum to get a point out of the game. So it's a match that we have to manage a bit better. And these CAF away matches, if you switch off for a few seconds, you concede a goal. If you play with 10 men while your player is injured, and you keep playing with 10 men, you can concede a goal. And that's what happened in 3 minutes that we conceded the two goals. If you talk about an individual player, Jean-Charles Ahoua, not only him, but each and every player, we go into details in relation to their performances. Ahoua had a very good defensive performance against away from home against Constantine. Not so good in his attacking performance. A lot of balls too easily losing the ball. And of course it was in relation to when you go through the game and you go through his corrections and we sit with him individually in the video to try to show him which areas he can improve. Sometimes it's positioning, sometimes it's body position in relation to receiving the ball. A lot of the times with a wet pitch he allowed the ball to run and the opponent was pressing aggressively. These are small details that you have to correct. Yes, it was an unfamiliar role that we put him in. You have to take that into consideration as well. And he sacrificed himself for the team. And that is all you can ask for of a player when he's asked to do a certain job. Tactically, he does the job. Yes, the performances and mistakes can happen, and that's part of it, and that is our job as coaches to be able to try to improve a player, to be able to have the same consistent attacking performance away from home and at home. And so we can go into each and every player in the last match, in previous matches, how we try to improve them on all levels. And sometimes it's a psychological aspect. Sometimes it's a player that is the first time playing away from home against a hostile crowd. And how can they manage their emotions? How can they manage their performances? So Ahoua is still a young player, please. And this is what I asked for in the beginning when he was scoring, when he was performing well. It was the media that overhyped him. And now for a young player like this to carry Simba on his shoulders, please, it's asking too much. Let's allow the player to grow. Let's allow a player to make mistakes. Let's allow the player to improve. And he's a player with huge potential and a huge ability and still has not reached even 60-70% of his full potential. So it's our job to be able to get the best out of these type of young players, and we shouldn't forget that 15 new players coming into Simba Sports Club this season, a big club, and now asking them to perform week in, week out, away from home, at home. It's going to take ups and downs for young players. So let's support him, and it's our job. We will support him. We will support all our players, and we will help all our players to improve. And that is the process we will do. And when a match at home comes like this, it's all about us correcting the players beginning of the week and then building up them psychologically and building up their confidence to be able to perform. Because on match day, on Sunday, it's the performance phase of the week, and we expect him to perform no matter what the age when it comes to match day. And we put that demands on not only Ahoua, but each and every player of our squad.